Hello guys, and welcome to a video on the Obby Dev channel. Now, if you're wondering what Obby Dev is, I basically just a young Roblox developer. Read my channel about page, but yeah, we're not going to be going over that right now. Today in this video, we are going to be going over the basics of Roblox Studio. Now I know if you're watching my channel, you already know what Roblox Studio is, but maybe you didn't know some of these stuff. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So let's start off with the Home tab. Now the Home tab is basically going to be your main tab. Now you got the Select tool, and basically what Select does is it'll just you can click and drag things. It's select object basically. But yeah, you got your Move tool. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's like select but with arrows. And then next you got Scale. Scale is honestly really cool. Really useful. Yeah, useful in my opinion. You can scale things up and down. Do it like what did I just do? I don't even know. I just did that. Anyways, yeah, you can scale it any way you want. But yeah. So next you got the Rotate. Now Rotate is also very useful. Move, Scale, and Rotate are really useful in any Roblox game. Now you see here, mine has like these little grid snap things. Now, here's actually a thing. All right, so click File. You go into Studio Settings. Right here under where is it? It's somewhere here, but yeah, somewhere here you'll see like I don't know, some sort of rotation snap. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but yeah, you'll see it somewhere. It might not even be in that. It might be in like I don't know, somewhere. But yeah, so yeah, it's somewhere in here, but okay, yeah, I was looking in there, but then I completely forgot. All you gotta do is go into the Model tab, and it's right here. I had it on 10 degrees. You can change it to 20, 50. If you want on 50, it'll snap a lot, like that much. That's really not useful though. I wouldn't recommend doing that. But yeah, you got 50. You could do 1, and you get like free movement basically. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that back to 10. And yeah, and you also got Move. I have 0.1. You could change it to 1. And so make it move like that in more of a grid. But yeah, so basically. I'm gonna put that. Oh god. Just clear it. So yeah, I'm gonna change back to 1. Now we're gonna be talking about the rest of Home. Yeah, you got collisions, joint surfaces. I think collisions will just disable collider for an object. I'm not sure, but I don't really know what these do. Yeah, you got the terrain editor. This is self-explanatory. If you know how to use the terrain editor, I will not go over the terrain editor in this video because I'm not even that good at terrain editor. But yeah, you can use the base size, all that. That's for a different video though. You got the toolbox. I wouldn't really recommend having the toolbox tab open at all times, but you could because a dog is probably sees people. But yeah, basically, this is like free models, and you never really want to use free models unless it has this high quality badge on it. But you don't want to use like this or anything. You want to use like this. So yeah, but honestly, you could just make your own stuff. You got images. You can use this. You can use meshes because they can't have scripts in them that could possibly have viruses. And kind of need them sometimes. Audio, just go to the Roblox website for those videos. I'm not sure who uses these, but they could be useful for something. And plugins. It's kind of more useful to get them from here because they don't display the virus like the virus copies, it only displays like the popular ones. But yeah, that's that tab. You got your My Models. You can see all your things. I made a Boxy Cool if you want to check that out. It's on my other account. Yeah, I made Shift to Run. I made Saving Leader Stats, but it's under 13 account, so it's kind of like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. You got part. All right, this is really important. Part will insert a part, obviously, but like, if you click this drop down, you can select the sphere, you can select the cylinder, wedge, all those. But also, if you select any part, if you click your material, you can go to cobblestone, just do a nice red. It'll actually make it like that. So that's how you can make like preset ones. UI, that's not important really, but anyways, yeah. So that's basically that. Lock. No, I think that's just lock the object. Play. That's how you test your game. Game settings. It'll bring you the game settings where you can publish your game and everything. That's not really important right now. Transforms. I don't think really anyone uses this. If you do use it, I'm sorry for offending you, but yeah, this area is kind of useless. You can insert scripts and stuff here. Oh, but this is actually really important. This service thing. Or is it? Yeah, I think it's this, but this will show you all different services that you can insert into here. If Teams does not show up, find Teams in here and add that definitely, because that is very useful. Yeah, so you got effects. You could insert effects like this. It actually kind of is useful sometimes. Insert fire into something. But you could also just click this and find any item. Go to test. Now this is really cool. Servers. You can actually create a server on your PC through Roblox Studio so that you can test stuff. And if you have Team Create on, which I'll go on in another video, it'll say Team Server or something like that, and you can do it like that. Device tab is super cool. You can emulate any device. Let's just do like iPhone 7 Plus, and look, you can even do player emulators. Not really that useful, but it is useful if you're making a lot of like mobility or something. I don't know, locomotion or localization. I don't even know what word it is, but yeah, you can like, even the cool thing, you can actually use the mobile as like an actual functioning phone. It's like that. The jump on works. Everything works, and all you do is from your PC. So yeah, that's that. It's I don't know why it's so laggy. I guess with my PC. What the no? Yeah, right. So it's fixed now. But yeah, basically that's test. You got view. This is actually pretty important here. So here you can find render. This will show you all your rendering. This is only if you are really gonna try and make your game optimized. You can see how optimized it is. Physics, show you the physics. Summary, your FPS and everything. Network, more optimization if you want. And stats. This is pretty useful too, but I never actually use it. So yeah, it's not that useful. But yeah. And over here you got your screenshot, you got full screen, you got team create, you got your performance. Here's the tabs you should have open. This is my studio layout. So I have the explore tab over here. I have the properties tab over here in the same window. I got output. Output is really useful because you can see all your script errors and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I have toolbox open right here. Don't know why, I just have it open. But yeah. But also you can not have the same layout because it does take up some screen. sometimes, but I do have a really low display. So yeah, and plugins tab, not really useful unless you're like a really, like, I'll get into plugins in a different video. But anyways, yeah, this is Basics Studio. And yeah, if you would like to see any sort of tutorial, leave it in the description. And yeah, I'll show you like how to build a basic house right now. Yeah, it doesn't have to be super precise, but yeah, it's just like a little box. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to see more tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe. It will really help the channel out. And leave your tutorial ideas in the description below, and I'll make them in the next video. For now, see you later, developers.